Okay, so this is connected regularly, and nothing other than disassembly. Everything is together, as just like the factory. So it does turn on now. 54.5 volts, something like that. This is on. So those are working. The switches, the power switch is working. However, you go like this, you go to throttle. The front tire, see the front tire bounced? There's an armature is burned out probably in the hub motor, is what I'm guessing. It definitely needs a front hub motor. That was actually a good example. It wants to go, but it won't because there's internal damage to that motor. Okay, so is it in both motor mode right now? Okay, put it in both motor. Both motor mode right now. Go ahead. Front goes, back does not. We think the back motor is good still. So I think that it may be a controller. What we're going to do now is we're going to do that procedure. We're going to switch front and rear controllers. This is rear motor. The front motor. Okay, it's still on. Go ahead and give it some. Back motor spins now.
I'll try both motors.
Do rear only selection. Good. It's rear only, which would be the back motor, right?
Yeah.
So back motor is working, back controller is working, single motor selection is now working, which is weird. We've just been messing with connectors and now it's working. Now do both motor selection. Go.
It's in both.
It's in both. I think because of the short in the front motor, we possibly burned out the front controller just on his way home. Or when it initially broke and he didn't even know it was broke until he noticed the acceleration was drastically reduced. So anyway, right now everything's hooked up as factory. When we switch these cables like we just did, that rear tire does not turn. So I think the front controller burned out because of the load on a burned out front hub motor. Hope this video was helpful.